Perfecting your English, Parallelism and Comparisons. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our series on grammar fundamentals. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a concept called parallelism, specifically parallelism in comparisons. This is a powerful tool in English language that you can use to make your sentences clear, balanced, and easy to understand. So, let's dive right in. Before we talk about parallelism and comparisons, it's important to have a basic understanding of what parallelism is. Parallelism is a grammatical concept where parts of a sentence that are similar in function follow the same grammatical structure. This brings coherence and balance to the sentences. For example, consider the sentence, I like reading books, playing the guitar, and to jog in the morning. Here, the parallel structure is disrupted by the phrase, to jog in the morning. Instead, it should say, jogging in the morning, to maintain parallelism. Now that we have a basic understanding of parallelism, let's move to our main topic for today, parallelism and comparisons. This concept applies when we are making comparisons in sentences. When you're comparing two or more things, it's important that the items being compared are presented in a parallel structure. Let's consider an example. Incorrect. John's performance is better than any player. Correct. John's performance is better than that of any player. In the correct sentence, that of any player parallels John's performance, hence maintaining the balance in the sentence. To master parallelism in comparisons, you need to practice identifying it in sentences. Look for sentences where comparisons are being made, and check if the items being compared are presented in a parallel structure. Here are some examples. 1. Incorrect. The coach thinks I am a better player and have more potential than any player on the team. Correct. The coach thinks I am a better player and have more potential than any other player on the team has. 2. Incorrect. The movie was as much sad as inspiring. Correct. The movie was as sad as it was inspiring. In both correct examples, the parts of the sentences being compared are in a parallel structure, making the sentences balanced and clear. And that's it for today's lesson on parallelism in comparisons. Remember, maintaining parallelism, especially in comparisons, makes your sentences more balanced and easier to understand. Keep practicing with different sentences and soon it'll become second nature. We hope you found this video helpful, and we'll see you in our next lesson.